Money laundering, terrorism financing, financial fraud. Hong Kong's system is one of the best at preventing these. Hong Kong is part of the Financial Action Task Force, the FATF, a G7 initiative with over 37 members and experts from the World Bank, the IMF and the UN, all aimed at preventing financial crime. But did you know that banks aren't the only financial players in Hong Kong? Authorized institutions like deposit-taking companies, brokers, insurance companies, and of course, money service operators or MSOs play vital roles in Hong Kong's financial ecosystem. Here at Statrys, we are licensed MSO. So what exactly does an MSO do? How does a company become licensed? Why would you want to use an MSO services? And how can you sign up for an MSO services? Hi, my name is Vincent. I'm a payment manager here at Statrys. Let's get into it. A money service operator, or MSO, in Hong Kong is a licensed business that helps people and companies with things like sending money overseas or exchanging foreign currencies. For example, if you need to send money overseas to a family member or pay a supplier in another country, an MSO can handle that for you. They're like a middleman who makes transferring money or converting currencies much easier and often quicker than going through a traditional bank. MSOs don't just stop there though. They also have businesses and individuals process payments, whether it's through credit cards, debit cards, or digital wallets. Some MSOs even offer extra services, like prepaid travel cards or helping with bill payments, depending on their license. But that's exactly the key. Every MSO in Hong Kong must have a license from the Commissioner of Custom and Excise. It's part of the Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Terrorist Financing Ordinance, designed to keep everything above board, compliant and legal. And since Hong Kong doesn't have foreign exchange controls, these operators play a big role in helping people handle different currencies. Now, if an MSO tries to operate without a license, they're looking at some serious trouble. Fines up to 100,000 HKD and or 6 months behind bars. Now, let's talk about one becomes a licensed MSO. Maybe you're thinking of breaking into the payments industry, or you're just wondering how your MSO of choice got the license, or maybe you're worried that it's actually way too easy to get a license. Well, rest assured, it's not easy, but it is doable if everything is above board. To operate as an MSO in Hong Kong, a business must meet specific requirements. These include the following. If an applicant is an individual, also called a natural person, they must be fit and proper to operate an MSO. If a company is applying for the license, its directors and shareholders must be fit and proper. This involves background checks to ensure they haven't committed serious crimes like fraud or money laundering. The business must have a local management office, or LMO, and a suitable place for storage of records. If the MSO operates without a fixed premise, it still needs a local management office for communication with the authorities in Hong Kong. The application requires submitting detailed documents, including a business plan, an anti-money laundering (AML) policy, and proof of premises. The application process can be done online via the Custom and Excise Department website. It's relatively straightforward to follow their instructions. After the application is submitted, there's a rigorous fit and proper person test and an interview process to ensure the applicant complies with all legal obligations. Once licensed, MSO have ongoing obligations too. These include maintaining accurate customer records and keeping them for at least 6 years, and reporting suspicious transactions to the authorities. Now, how and why can you use an MSO? Partnering with a licensed money service operator, or MSO, in Hong Kong is a crucial step for businesses involved in currency exchange or money transfers. If you work with freelancers or pay suppliers across borders, an MSO can help you save time and money. You can exchange currencies when the rates are favorable for you, and an MSO's rates are usually more favorable than other traditional providers. So that's what a money service operator is, and why it's important to have a license to operate as one. If you want to work with an MSO, there are plenty of options you can choose from. Again, if you want to see a full list of licensed MSOs, you can check on the Customs and Excise Department website. Statrys got its license in 2019 and have been helping thousands of SMEs meet their payment needs and get one of the best FX rates in their industry. Statrys multi-currency business accounts allow you to send, receive and hold 11 major currencies and a few less common currencies with low to no fees. You can apply completely online to open a business account for free with no minimum deposit. Feel free to reach out to our team via these channels or go to statrys.com to get started. Thanks for watching.